Gundam Wing, Bandai figures, got a big lot of them. And Guru is fortunately here to let us know all about their awesomeness. Go Guru.
Alright. Hello. Do Death Side the second, no, the first one. I had these things for a very long time, and back when I got them, they were like the most expensive toys I ever bought, but they're also one of the coolest animes, and that's why I'm also going to rebuy them all again as Robot Damashi. He's missing all kinds of his armor and stuff. Some of them are missing their arms. I have the dragon dude with the Wu Fei's one with the 2 dragon arms, but dude, that one's all I have left is the torso and the head, and the arms floating around here somewhere. So like, not gonna have him up here for a review. Cool backpack. Jetpack, I mean. Got his little machine guns right here on his collar. And they're surprisingly standable. Like, look at that angle. He's like leaning back and everything. But he's got such big feet. Sandrock. Lost his shoulder pad, his arm, backpack, all kinds of junk. I love his helmet. I'm really looking forward to this one. I'm going to have this one in Robot Damashi soon, along with another Wu Fei one. And I've got Epion ordered. So I've got a lot of cool Robot Damashis coming out. I'll be doing reviews on. How's it going, sunshine?
Looking good. Missing arm and all.
Yes, Sam? Meow. Hey, buddy. Don't freak out. He's freaking out. And we got Mr. Sam here to give us a review. Sam, what do you think of him?
He's waving to us.
He's a Sam. A Sam kitty. A Sam kitty. Now this is a Sam review too. 30-second Sam review. Go. Sam's got a broken arm because I ran over him with my car. And his arm helicoptered and he didn't come back for a while. Then he came back. Doctor said he was going to have gangrene. He was going to fall off and die. So unless we're in heaven or hell, this dude's one tough cat. 9 lives and all that. So what do you think of the toy, Sam? Let's just sit him up here and see which ones he naturally goes to. Alright. That's Sam review. This is Wing Zero, I think. Got Sam hair all over him now. His upgraded one's much better. This is probably the coolest looking one I got because the red looks really neat on him. Really good colors. So they don't have any weapons or anything anymore, so when I play I just pretend there's weapons. And that's probably why I lost them in the first place, because back in the day I didn't keep any of the weapons. So I just pretend. But now I keep all the weapons and everything. This is the upgrade Death Side. he's missing all of his wings and all that good stuff. But it's just funny to see how far they've come from this to these over here. I hope they keep making these toys forever until they're like actual little robots that I can holographically get in the middle of like a little person. That'll be the best toy ever. This Toggies too. Might as well do a comparison. Shebang. He's a robot Damashi website exclusive. A Damashi exclusive. So the colors are just much better on the new one. Amazing toy versus little tiny plastic thing. But also it's like $100 versus like whatever this is, like $20 or something. I love the Toggies. This Toggies doesn't have an arm anymore, but he's still got his huge cannon, so that just serves as what I need it to be, his arm. I think I like the 1 better than the 2. I got like for Damashi to come out with the 1. All that beautiful white. And this is the one that held up the best. Heavy arms. He's got his little plates that still open and close. He lost one of his things up here, but this one still opens up. I'll open up his chest, turn him around and do it. There we go. Has little mini Gatling guns in there. His sword goes up. He could be like, I don't have a weapon, I'm all out of bullets. Gotcha, bitch. Yeah. I don't think his leg things open up. No. But he held up really well. He's got an awesome color orange on him. Cool backpack thrusters too. And every now and again they get into skirmishes with each other. Because it's not like they're a team or anything. They were made by a bunch of individual scientists. So when they end up fighting, it gets bad. And so right now, they're on Earth, defending themselves against Oz and Trey's Cushionado. Although I think Trey's flies the second one here. Oh, Sam here. Fight. This isn't going to work. We need to go to outer space and fight for the colonies. Alright. Oh, they're in my hair. They're in my hair. Oh. So that's how they fly in outer space. Oh, the colonies. We've made it. Now, let's kill each other and see who can own the colonies. Roger that. Oh, it's in my hair. It's in my hair. Roger that. Oh, no, no! Put some freaking cars on the track there, Sunshine.
Broken.
You broke my track? I'll fix it. Outer space is a bloody and awful place. Keep loading them there, Sunshine. What are you doing? Keep loading them! Keep loading them! I'm going to self-destruct and take us both out. Boom! That's how Gundam battles happen in outer space.